Everything terrific, came on time, finished the job, everything was fantastic.
We were really happy with his work. He's prompt, he was on time, and he gave us a fair price.
He'll come out, give you a free estimate, and make you another happy customer.
Very professional and very fast. Very, very good.
And I'm very grateful to have experts on hand.
It's a pleasure to deal with people that really know their job.
I really appreciate all your help, and you did a great job.
Did a great job. I'd recommend them to anyone.
Excellent. Thank you, Teddy. Appreciate that.
Hey, my pleasure.
Champion Plumbing came to me in an emergency on a Sunday. No questions asked. They were fantastic, did the work quickly.
They do great work, always punctual, very thorough with the work.
Always on time, very fair, reasonable pricing, and great plumber. Go with them.
Absolutely 100% recommend Champion Plumbing. We've had 3 or 4 issues with our plumbing, and always Granger has come through. He's reasonably priced, he's pleasant to work with, he shows up on time, he does the job correct.
Champion Plumbing, first person I call, great job, clean.
Give us a call.